Whew! So the line has settled a bit in the canyon. So let's see if it's really good or not. Okay, so they only serve meriendas. Don't expect rice, pasta, or pizzas. Chef's coq monsieur or ham and cheese in short. Light and fluffy, fancy style of ham and cheese. But it's just too expensive. 7 out of 10. Nutella drum balls, Danish. It looks good but I can't taste the Nutella. Chocolate filling inside tastes cheap. Mas masarap pa fudgy bar. I give it 5 out of 10. Cronut. This one is the worst. Tastes greasy and rancid, not flaky. It's just bad. 2 out of 10. Last dessert. Finally something better. This one is not that sweet. Chocolate is smooth, cashew are crispy. You can skip the others and just get this. This is 8 out of 10. There's still a line but I don't think I'll come back anymore.